Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Ton from Tonkeeper on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up your Tonkeeper wallet on your Google Chrome. And now from here, you've got a few options. So you got buy, send, receive and swap. So what you want to do is click on send here and now put in the recipient address. So the only way to withdraw your Ton from Tonkeeper is to send it to another network like Bybit, Binance, CoinSpot, etc. So you need to go onto any one of their sites and get the deposit address. So if you want to use Binance, put in the address here and the comment, click on continue, and then put in the amount of Ton you'd like to send across. And then from your, for example, Binance, once you received it from Tonkeeper, you can withdraw it using the Binance platform or any other platform